देखा जाए कि नहीं? तो हो जाए ट्रेलर दोबारा। सारे हमारे जो नए टैलेंट्स लॉन्च हो रहे हैं और स्टेज पर मैं स्वागत करना चाहूंगा द वन एंड ओनली सलमान खान सर का।
थैंक यू, शुक्रिया।
So you want to say something to all? वैसे तो पागल होते ही हैं सब लोग, लेकिन यहाँ तो फ्रंट रो से लेकर बैक रो सब लोग पागल हो ही गए हैं।
एक बड़ा ही स्ट्रेंज सवाल है, अनोखा सा सवाल है कि ये ट्रेलर आपको कैसा लगा? अनयूजुअल सवाल था ये।
अच्छा, लेकिन सर ट्रेलर तो अच्छा हो गया, लेकिन आपकी एक जो प्रथा बन गई है, बहुत सारे खूबसूरत नौजवान युवकों को आप लॉन्च करते हैं। आई रियली लव दैट, दैट्स फैंटास्टिक। सो वीड लाइक टू मीट देम।
This is the third.
This is the third.
launch.
एक्चुअली वी वर डिस्कसिंग सलमान सर के साथ, मुझे भी मौका मिला स्टेज पर। दिस इज द थर्ड न्यू, आई डोंट कॉल देम न्यू कमर्स बिकॉज आई गेस दैट दे हैव रियली given it their all, लेकिन new promising talent that is being launched. We'd love to see them and we'd love for you to call them on
First we
stage.
start with Suraj and Atiya.
That's right, sir.
And then
Ayush.
Ayush and Varina. And now Zahir Iqbal and Pranutan.
And then I'm going to call a couple of more people on stage.
जरा कैमरा यहाँ पे दोनों, ये दोनों बापों के फेस पे ऊपर और माओं के फेसेस के ऊपर। Yeah, they'll start crying any moment.
I'll do a photo up later on also. बहुत सारे बच्चे भी है जो आएंगे स्टेज पर, जो सामने बैठे हुए हैं। Big round of applause for all the children. They've done such a good job. Superb. अभी नहीं, थोड़ी देर बाद। But Salman sir, this is, you know, I'll tell you something. इतने सारे ख्वाब के साथ लोग आते हैं बॉलीवुड में. You know, they want to make it onto the big screen. You've seen so many seasons. You know, they've come and they've gone. So I obviously read it. It's very widely reported on Wikipedia. You saw him dancing at Arpita ki shadi and performing, and you said, "Bas."
No, that's not the first time I saw him.
Yeah.
I saw Zahiro when his father came to me. He said कि मेरे पापा और मम्मी ने मुम्मू के मम्मा और पापा के साथ बैठ के शरबत पिए। तो ऐसे शरबत पीने से रिश्ता पक्का हो गया। That is when, before he was even conceived, I've known this dude.
But when you saw him, was he
And
full hero
I still
material?
remember, I still owe his father 2011 rupees. वही ना आंकड़ा? हाँ? वही है ना 2011 रुपए।
ब्याज के साथ तो बढ़ गया होगा अभी सर।
अब खुद से। भाई अब ये चुका के देगा भाई।
So were you, when he did see you there, so it happens to so many people.
अरे this one झोल they did with me
अच्छा।
on his sister's wedding. तो इकबाल comes to me से यार वो शादी में तो आना है, आऊँगा। तो इसको संगीत स्टार्ट नहीं करेंगे इन लोग। तो ऐसे मैं आ जाऊँगा यार, साजिद के साथ मैं आ जाऊँगा वहाँ पर। तो हम लोग घर पे बैठे थे, तो ऐसे चलो, तो फिर संगीत स्टार्ट किया इन्होंने। पूरी फिल्म बनाई थी इन्होंने, वीडियो, डांस, परफॉर्मेंस वगैरह वगैरह। इनको पता था कि ये मैं आऊँगा वहाँ पर और ये साइन हो जाएगा।
ये था वैसे थॉट ना?
इंटेंशन वैसा नहीं था, लेकिन
वही इंटेंशन था, इंटेंशन वही था और वो कामयाब हो गया। लेकिन उसके बाद 5 years this boy struggled really hard. तो 5 साल he was worked with me, trained with me, assistant in Jai Ho, तो बहुत मेहनत की इसने। And Pranutan, you don't want to be lawyer anymore?
Never.
Huh?
No.
अरे become lawyer. So her father, Monia. So I've known Monia. Monia is Monish Bahal. So I remember he used to be shooting 3 shifts.
सर आज सारे पोल खुलने वाले हैं। Yes, बिल्कुल।
So I was struggling. The only one thing I used to do, go to Sea Rock as a model assistant and go and work out in the gym where I was underage, which he had to pay for because Prabhu was the general manager then. He, at that point in time, didn't have much respect for me. I don't think even now he has it. But so he used to have this panga with me. He used to keep me out of the gym. So whenever he was not there, I used to go into the gym. He used to pay for it. And so one day he comes on the bench. I was working out. He says, "Move out to the bench." I said, "Why?" He said, "I'm really tired, man. I've been doing 3 shifts. I shot in Mumbai, then I went to Hyderabad, and I've just come back, and it's just too tiring. You know, dude, I wish God gives me a break." Next week, his film released, Teri Baahon Mein. God
Wow.
did listen to him. God gave him the longest break. And then I got a film called Maine Pyar Kiya. Okay? And Raj
तालियां हो
Babu,
जाए, मैंने प्यार किया ऐसा मिला. Yeah.
the first person to sign me was Raj Babu. He passed away yesterday. God bless his soul. So I went and met Raj Babu, and they signed me for a film. उसमें एक negative lead था. So I said, why don't you try Munish Bahl? He said, नहीं, नूतन जी के बेटे हैं, उनको negative में कैसे ले सकते हैं? So I turned around and said, if Monish gets to know about this, he will die. So I went to Nutan ji. And then I got her from Sagar Sangeet, from Kaf Parade, to meet Raj Babu. And she convinced Raj Babu that my son, God gave him a long break. Right now he's under BMWs and Mercedes Benz and repairing cars. वो तो अभी भी चल रहा है इनका. So that is how he got into मैंने प्यार किया then.
वैसे आप सर बहुत मेहनत करते हैं. People don't realize this. You go to any lengths to help a lot of the people that you
No,
see that have talent.
Not help, the deserving candidates, not anybody.
Can I just give a mic to Monish sir? Okay. Yeah.
So Athiya and Suraj is not the first break that Salman's given. I was the first. Yeah.
Super. Well, it's about payback time
And,
now.
and after he gave me that break, see where his career went.
Pranutan, are you overwhelmed?
Yeah, very, very overwhelmed. I'm also a little nervous of this banter. I don't know where this is heading. So I'm just keeping quiet because they have a lot of stories. Yeah. Which also
Salman sir
shouldn't
with
be
his friends
revealed.
will have a lot of stories. Lekin, did she convince you first shot only? Did Pranutan, were you convinced in one shot?
Yeah, before even seeing the rushes, I told him she's on. She did a screen test. So I said, she's on. I mean, I've interacted with her. She's out. And she's amazing in the film. Amazing. She's so good with her lines and itni आसानी से dialogues. And the most important thing is, वो जो inflammatory dialogue जो होते हैं ना एकदम ऐसे वाले, वो बड़े आसानी से आते हैं.
Wonderful.
Oh, thank you.
So now we'll have the witness to all of these things. The director Nitin Kakkad को मैं स्टेज पर बुलाना चाहूंगा. सारी अंदर की बातें जो खुल गई. आपने फिल्मिस्तान देखी होगी, one of my favorite films of all time. Nitin sir.
And those kids have made the film.
Lots has been said. अब सलमान सर ने तो बड़ी तारीफें कर दी दोनों की. और अगर जहीर के इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट पर जाओ तो हर 5वां पिक्चर इनके 6 पैक का होता है. So the beauties are obviously here we're not seeing that. तो बहुत काम करना पड़ा या इजी था?
इजी था, बहुत इजी था. आई थिंक Pranutan and Zahir both are, as Salman sir just said, deserving candidates to be launched because they're very hungry, I would say, and they worked like how they've been. I think they went through a training of 3 months, and they've just, you'll see the film. They are, I don't want to say
3 months on
it's
this film, but
fantastic.
they've been training for the last 5 years.
So Murad sir, if I ask you, जब न्यू टैलेंट को लॉन्च किया जाता है, थोड़ा सा हल्का सा स्ट्रेस रह सकता है. वो क्या खरे उतरेगी सारे लोगों की उम्मीदों पर, फिर आपके डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स पर, फिर प्रोड्यूसर पर, ये सारे सवाल होते हैं. तो वो बेचारे ऑलरेडी अंडर प्रेशर रहते हैं, लेकिन आप पर प्रेशर रहता है कि नहीं रहता है?
प्रेशर तो रहता है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है न्यू कमर कोई भी फिल्म बनाओ प्रेशर तो रहता है. अगर एस्टैब्लिश एक्टर है वो भी
नहीं एस्टैब्लिश्ड एक्टर में ऑलरेडी छोटा सा फैन बेस अगर रहता है,
हाँ,
वो
pressure
लोग
है,
मानते हैं.
लेकिन उसमें भी प्रेशर तो होता है.
नहीं, वो उसमें होता है भाई, हम झेल चुके हैं. उसमें पैसे कभी कभी वापस देने पड़ते हैं.
Well, like I said, sir, एक रात, वो एक छोटी सी एक ऐसी रात रहती है. Ashwin sir, would you say that it is very difficult to how should I say, to convince, आप लोग बहुत अलग अलग फिल्में बना रहे. This year you've got like 3 big releases that are coming up. 2018 was a very different year. 2018 ने लोगों की आंखें खोल दी हैं, you know, for the kind of content cinema जो driven चल रहा है, you know, as producers. इसके बारे में अब double take हुआ है कि, you know, resetting the clock as far as your content is concerned and the thought is concerned.
No, I don't think so, yeah, because I think content has always worked. I think people have just realized it last year that content works, but content has been, if content didn't work, films won't work. So it's content has always
No,
been
but
king.
people came with no expectations, and from May to now is apparently like it's been a crazy golden run box office wise.
Yeah, but it's always happened in every year from the 70s, 80s. You see, you know, the year when the first Golmaal release, which Amol Palek.
Like, share, and subscribe to TV Next Bollywood.